Hi, this is Greg from OnlineLanguageAcademy.com, and in this video I'm going to explain the number one sound that you need to make if you want to speak English with a good pronunciation. Are you ready? Alright, if you are new here, just subscribe to my channel for more ways to sound more native and more natural when you are speaking English. And a good place to start is by getting my free ebook, English Quick Fix, and it includes 16 ways to fix your broken English. So, right, let's begin this video about the most common sound in English. And the most common sound in English is the schwa sound. And the schwa sound is Okay, if you want to make this sound, just relax, just massage your cheeks, massage your neck, massage your shoulders, and just relax every muscle in your body and make a noise. There you go. That is the schwa sound, and it's the most common sound in English. So, we use this all the time. There are two types of words in English. Content words and structure words. Content words are the most important words in a sentence, and the structure words are usually the little grammar words, which stick everything together. And these little grammar words can often take the schwa sound. Like words like from, for, to, have, can, was. It's just almost every grammar word can use the schwa sound. So let's just have two examples of this. I have been an English teacher for about 15 years. I have been I have been an English teacher for about 15 years. I'm from Yorkshire. I'm from a small town in Yorkshire, in the north of England. I'm from England, Yorkshire, in the north of England, England. I'm going to keep this video brief and give you just some tips of when you know that you have to use the schwa sound. And this is usually at the end of words which end with OR, ER, OUR, RE, and URE. So let's have a look at some examples. OR, we have doctor. Alright, doctor. If you listen to American English, they will say doctor, but in British English, it's just the schwa sound at the end. Doctor. We don't pronounce the R. It's just schwa. Doctor. Actor. Visitor. Okay, say them with me. Doctor, actor, visitor. Alright. Next, we have ER. Mother, father, brother, sister. And there's a lot of words that end with ER. All the comparatives, for example, bigger, taller, smaller, fatter, better. Okay? All the comparatives that end with ER, just use the schwa. Alright. Then OUR, words like colour, favour, harbour. Again, we just end the word with schwa. RE, centre, meter, sombre. Say them with me. Centre, meter, somber. And finally, U-R-E. I love this. Culture, culture, not culture. Culture. Literature, literature. Torture, torture. All right, this is such a typical mistake from foreign students, so you really need to master this sound and these rules if you want to fix your broken English. All right, thanks for watching. I will be doing more videos for you soon, so click subscribe to find out when, and get my ebook. You need it. All right, thanks for watching, and bye for now. You know what to do.